Hi, and welcome. Today I will show you how you can remove plagiarism from articles. You can do this in one place. You can see I have full article copied from internet in my Microsoft Word. Grammarly plagiarism checker showing 100% plagiarism right now. Plagiarism checker option only available in premium account. If you need it, then visit my website to get this for free. Now I will remove plagiarism with the help of another tool called Wordtune. Let me open this first. Now to change content, you need to select one sentence at a time. You can do more with web version of Wordtune, but I don't know what is the issue with MS Word plugin. After selecting, you can choose any mode from here. I will choose formal mode. Then it will show you many options. Now choose which one you want. Now do same with the rest of article as well. I will fast forward this part of the video and remove some plagiarism. After that I will show you the results. When you use both tools, Grammarly and Wordtune together, you can work faster and with accuracy. Grammarly shows you plagiarism result, and with Wordtune you can remove it easily without leaving the window. You can do it at one place. This will save you time and money as well, because I am providing Grammarly for free. And if you will help me by subscribing and sharing my channel and website with friends, then I will bring Wordtune for you as well. Right now I am providing quillbot, an alternative to Wordtune. Go my website and look for it. If I got 200 likes, then I will bring Wordtune detailed video and show you to set up paid tool for free in MS Word. Now as you can see, it reduced plagiarism within few minutes. You can get 100% results with this. I will see you next time. Till then, goodbye.